So today I'm going to show you how to get a free trial on Rocket Money. So we're going to actually be here in real time on our iOS device so you can follow along step by step, keeping in mind Android might look a little bit different. So here on the main page, you can see we're actually highlighted over here on the dashboard. We just created this account. You might have skipped over the free trial. And if you want to go ahead and get this free trial for you, you're going to go up to the top left-hand side over here with the gear icon. And that's going to take you to this new area. You can see where it says go premium here towards the top. There's also right over here where it says premium membership. We're going to go ahead and tap over here. And this is going to bring you this option over here where you can see you get 7 free day trial. You can cancel at any time. So we're going to go ahead and click on the word start free trial. And from here, it's going to ask you how much you would like to pay. You can actually click on choose custom amount. You can actually kind of toggle between all these different price points. If you want to go as low as $6, you can. And we're going to go ahead and click on the word continue. And from here, it's going to ask you to choose your payment method. Now, you most likely won't have an account on file, so you can click on add checking account. And once you do that, you can go ahead and make sure it's highlighted over here, and then you can click on start free trial. But before we do, just keeping in mind that it will tell you that it's $6 plus any taxes and when the trial will end, which on our example would be on the 9th. Now, I will have at the end of this video on how to cancel that, so keep that in mind so you can make sure if you don't like Rocket Money, you know how to cancel this account. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click on the word start free trial down here at the bottom. You can see this is going to go through processing. It might take a couple of moments to change up your account. And just like that, our account has now been transferred over to premium, which gives us full access to all of the best app functionalities that are available. We're going to click on the word done here, and you'll officially know you're in premium. You can see up here, it says you're premium, and it's obviously kind of covered up here with our recording. Now, there's more to learn when it comes to utilizing Rocket Money, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep learning.